Welcome! In this tutorial, we will explore complete file control in Google Colab for efficient workflow management. Let's get started. To rename your notebook, simply click on the current notebook name at the top of the page or go to File Rename. Enter your desired name and press Enter to apply the change. This helps keep your projects organized and easily identifiable. Google Colab automatically saves your work, but you can manually save a copy by selecting File, Save or Save a Copy in Drive. This stores your notebook securely in Google Drive for future access. You can also download the notebook by navigating to File, Download, where it can be saved in .epynb format for Jupyter notebooks, AE format as a Python script. These options are useful when transferring files between environments or sharing offline code. To delete a notebook, select File, move to Trash, which sends it to the Google Drive trash folder. To access files directly from Google Drive, you can mount Drive using the following command. After authorization, your drive will appear as a directory, allowing direct access to files without manual uploads. To upload a notebook, go to File, Upload Notebook. You can import files from Recent Files, Google Drive, GitHub, or browse directly from your local computer. Similarly, you can open existing notebooks using File, Open Notebook, and access them from the same locations. This flexibility allows seamless switching between local and cloud environments. Google Colab allows direct integration with GitHub for version control and collaboration. To save your notebook to GitHub, click File, Save a Copy in GitHub. A GitHub authorization window may appear if you haven't connected before. Authorize Colab to access your GitHub account. In the dialog box, select the desired GitHub repository and branch. Add a commit message. Optionally, check the box to include a link to Collaboratory for easy access from GitHub. Click OK. Your notebook will now be saved directly into the selected GitHub repository. Now, you can verify it in the GitHub repository to ensure that the file has been successfully saved. To share your notebook, click the Share button. You can provide view-only or editing access using email addresses or generate a shareable public link similar to Google Docs. This feature is particularly useful for teamwork, teaching, and project collaboration. By mastering Google Colab's file management features, you ensure smooth workflow for all your data science and AI projects. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.